Don't miss this video. You will be disappointed. Take a few minutes and get started. Skin like celebrities and silky hair is no longer a dream, just an avocado. The most expensive hair serum that has become a luxury brand for celebrities and YouTubers. We will make it even stronger. A homemade recipe with infinite properties for the skin and goodbye to wrinkles and aging. The miracle of nature is summed up in one word: avocado. We need half a ripe avocado. Mash it completely with the width of a spoon. It will turn into avocado puree. We prepare the main base of both recipes. We need to puree half a ripe avocado, along with a tablespoon of yogurt and a tablespoon of coconut oil and a tablespoon of olive oil. We combine these four ingredients together. After mixing and blending them, we pour half of it into a container with a lid, which we intended for hair, and we will transfer the other half to another container for skin. Do not throw away the avocado core, because the third recipe is made with avocado core. A recipe that will relieve your pain in under 3 minutes. My friends, if this is the first time you are watching my video, I welcome you. All the recipes are explained with scientific reasons. If you have had experience using avocado in your skin and hair routine, please tell me and my contacts. Be sure to activate the bell to be informed of the most practical beauty and youth recipes. Let's talk a little about the benefits of avocado for skin and hair. Did you know that avocado has numerous benefits for skin and hair due to its vitamins, healthy fats, and antioxidants, including strong moisturizing of skin and hair, rejuvenation, helping to treat dryness and dandruff, strengthening and shining hair, and improving the condition of sensitive skin such as eczema? Avocado has numerous properties for the skin. I will tell you a few of the most important ones. Number 1. Powerful moisturizer. Avocado helps hydrate and soften the skin with healthy fats such as omega-9 fatty acids.
Sakit.
Number 2. Skin rejuvenation. Vitamin E and beta-carotene in avocado help rejuvenate and brighten the skin by fighting skin aging. Number 3. Treatment of dryness and skin problems helps eliminate dryness, signs of aging such as wrinkles, and skin problems such as eczema and psoriasis. Number 4. Cleansing and exfoliating helps cleanse dirt, oil, and dead cells from the surface of the skin and closes open pores. Number 5. Skin protection protects the skin from environmental damage such as sun, pollution, cold, and heat by creating a protective layer. Number 6. Acne treatment. It helps treat acne and facial pimples by regulating the secretion of skin oil and controlling excess oil production. And the most special thing is that it heals wounds in the shortest time. It is effective in healing scratches and skin wounds. The first recipe we will make is an avocado hair mask. Avocado has many benefits for hair, including deep moisturizing, strengthening and growing hair, eliminating dandruff, preventing breakage and split ends, increasing hair shine, and protecting it from environmental damage. This fruit is rich in vitamins A, C, D, E, and B vitamins, such as B5 and B6, minerals, and beneficial fatty acids that help keep hair healthy and strong. I will briefly tell you the other most important benefits: deep moisturizing, strengthening hair bulbs and increasing growth, treating dandruff, preventing breakage and split ends, increasing hair shine, and most importantly, protecting hair from environmental damage such as the sun, pool chlorine, and seawater, preventing premature graying and preventing hair loss. It is unparalleled. Do you agree with me? Combine half an avocado, coconut oil, olive oil, and yogurt, and divide into 2 parts. Transfer the first part to a lidded container and add a tablespoon of natural, first-class honey. Congratulations, you have prepared one of the trendiest and most luxurious recipes for healthy and beautiful hair. How to use: 2 hours before bathing, massage the roots and hair shaft. You heard about its properties a few moments ago. Then wash with your daily shampoo and rinse. I was shocked what a difference it makes. You are allowed to use an avocado hair mask up to twice a week. The second recipe is an avocado face mask, which is the main base of the ingredients and is combined with a tablespoon of rice flour and a tablespoon of lemon juice, and finally a tablespoon of chia seeds, which makes this mask and skin rejuvenating and hydrating balm. This mask is suitable for all skin types and is a very, very strong skin whitener due to the presence of lemon juice and rice flour. Chia seeds are a natural collagen and an extremely strong moisturizer. The main base is a combination of half an avocado, coconut oil, olive oil, and a spoonful of yogurt, which makes this beauty balm work quickly. That is, the first time you use it, those around you will ask you if you had Botox? Or did you go for laser? Did you do a facial? Did your acne disappear? How did you shrink your pores so quickly? They will ask a lot of different questions because you have changed 100%. Using vitamin E, depending on your skin type, you should use it in this recipe. If you have dry and normal skin, you can use it. Vitamin E has numerous properties for the skin. With its strong antioxidant properties, this vitamin protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals and UV rays, and helps reduce skin inflammation and heal wounds and skin spots. Also, vitamin E helps hydrate and maintain skin moisture and prevents dryness and premature aging. Instructions for using the avocado skin mask. 3 times a week, on clean skin, leave on for 20 minutes. To you, my dear audience, thank you for being with me up to this point. Please inspire me and give me energy by subscribing to the channel and interacting more. Now it's time for the third recipe. This recipe cost me a lot to get the recipe because you've never heard of it before. Did you think that avocado seed is a very, very strong pain reliever for joint pain, arthritis, and rheumatism? A powerful and natural painkiller. You're in for a shock. If you have knee pain, if you have heel spurs and walking has become a torment for you, do your fingers hurt badly and you can't hold the utensils well? Your cure is only the third recipe in this video, so don't miss it. We divide the avocado seed into very small pieces with the help of a grater with any tool you have available. I grated it, it gives the best result. Pour it into a glass container with a lid, then add twice as much pure white alcohol and let it sit for an hour. Now your painkiller spray is ready. It's amazing! I think you should always have a small spray of this strong painkiller with you. If your child falls and his leg hurts, take a few puffs. If you yourself have a sore wrist, take a few puffs. Or if your friend or loved one gets into trouble, you will be their savior like an angel. Friends, this recipe cost me a lot, but I gave it to you for free. I only ask you to send this video to your friends to make up for it, leave a comment, and subscribe. I hope God will be your companion and companion.